All right, so today we're going to change the transfer case fluid on this 2022 4Runner. What you need to change your transfer case fluid is going to be a 24 millimeter to get the drain and fill plug off, a rag to clean it up, 2 replacement washers, and of course your transfer case fluid. I'm using Royal Purple Synchro Mesh, which matches the spec of 75 weight, which Toyota recommends. You can use 75/90, as most of the dealers around here that I called are using 75/90. And of course, a drain pan. So transfer case capacity is 1.1 quarts, which is why I have 2 quarts right here. All right, so looking at the transfer case, this is your fill plug, this is your drain plug. Always take out your fill plug first, then remove your drain plug. So let's go ahead and drain out the old fluid. So old fluid, drain it out. Doesn't look horrible. Drain plug replaced, new washer, torque to 27 foot-pounds. Now we're gonna start filling this thing. Fill all the way till it starts running out the fill hole. Replace your fill plug and torque to 27 foot-pounds, and you are done.